Hey, y'all, check this out. Technical Tuesdays on a Wednesday. It's okay. We're diving into the charts. Let's get it. So, looking at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin falling off a cliff, still making new lows. Is breaking that minor level support here that we had initially. To see right here, it broke. And the next stop, in my opinion, is anywhere between 20,000 and 17,000. That is the first stop. Now, if it does break 17,000, the next stop I have is anywhere between 10 and 11,000. These are my two predictions. This is what I have. I know what everyone else is saying. I'm sticking to what I know. You guys may not know, but I trade for real. And before all this crypto stuff, I was a trader. That's how I got my initial investment from trading. So when I look at this is what I see on the charts here with Bitcoin here. Really nothing telling me otherwise. I mean, everyone's saying, oh, it's consolidating right here, but even looking at what's going on, it's still bearish in my opinion. Looking here, we can kind of put a flag here. This is we could kind of form a triangle, ascending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. So, no matter how I look at it, I definitely see a drop coming. As of right now, the only way that would prevent me from seeing that is if we break above and out of this level. So if we somehow, some way, break above, let's say 32,000, somehow, that would kind of change my sentiment because it's breaking to the bullish side. But as of right now, it's consolidating, but I still see a drop. So that's just my take on it. And we'll see what happens. That's just my take on it right there. Just going on the daily time frame and seeing what is up. EMAs are still crossed. Nothing's really changing. Even going to the 4-hour, I mean, still nothing's changing on the 4-hour time frame. Looking right here, we see, still it's the same thing. Consolidation, but still on the bearish side, giving us bearish sentiment. Looking at Ethereum, I'm going to keep this up here. I'm going to keep these here and see how it plays out just so we can kind of document this journey from a TA perspective. But looking at Ethereum here, same thing. We have our levels. Broke this level at 22.5, and I have Ethereum coming down to 1662 to be exact. Let's just say 1600, pullback there. And if it breaks 1600 and closes above, the next stop is 1250. After that, I didn't really make any determination as to where we would be going after 1250, but I just think based off of just the monthly time frame at 1265, I see 1250, 1265 being that area if we break and close beneath 1662. That's what I have with Ethereum. Nothing's proven me otherwise. Everything's been spot on so far, so I'm just going to stick to what is working. I don't really dabble too much into what everyone else is saying. This is my technical analysis. This is what we're looking at here, Clockwise Crypto, and that's what we see right now. And we've been right so far. So same thing going here. We did break this level, with this key level that we had marked here at 55 cents. And we actually did hit our target with XRP at 37 cents. We see here in that candle 2 weeks ago, we did break that 37 cent candle, and it looks like we're still heading back to really just touch that level. After that level, just see what the fibs say. But after that level, I don't see much other levels. 88.6 is where we're at right now. And that's kind of like my level of support I see at XRP. I do not see it going below 37 cents, though it could. It could, because there are levels of support here, but that's kind of the red level here at 37 cents is what we've been looking at with XRP, and we're almost at target. We wicked it right here 2 weeks ago, but I think we're going to hang out around there, so that's definitely something we are keeping our eyes on. Going to Cardano breaking our levels as well, just like we said it would. And right now it's just pretty much doing the same thing, the same sentiment across the market, which is healthy. Any projects that are like pumping while everything else is falling off a cliff, I'm staying away from, as you guys know by now. But looking here, Cardano heading towards our major level of support, sitting here at 38 cents, 38.38 here, and just pulling back like everything else, which is to be expected. We have the same major level of support that we're looking at. Wick doing the same thing XRP did, wick that level, and right now it's looking like it's testing that level. So everything's basing off of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin falls, everything else is falling. I don't see anything that gives me any sentiment that we should pull back. We definitely broke below this level here. I know people are saying that it's respecting and it is hanging around this 28,000 to 30,000 range. But for the most part, looking at the wick broke below. Everything's telling me that we will have a drop soon. So we'll see what happens next week on Techno Tuesday. Sorry guys, it's on a Wednesday, but definitely wanted to dive in and make sure we cover some technical analysis within the crypto markets today, or at least for this week. We'll see next week how this plays out. We're leaving the charts just as they are to see how it plays out, kind of document this entire experience. Hope you guys got some value out of this video and keep moving forward in everything that you do. And we'll see you soon.